So in this quick video, we are going to see how you can use the Intapp Documents API to pin matters on behalf of users. So in this example, in my matters list within Intapp Documents, it's currently empty. If I look at my all matters list, I can see a series of matters here. And what I want to do is pin a series of matters on behalf of my users automatically through the API. How's that done? Well, we use the Intapp Documents API. So if we look at the Swagger page for the Intapp Documents API, you can scroll down and there's a section called My, okay, which lets you perform operations on the pinning functionality. So if I scroll down here, there's actually a method called add by code. And what this does is it effectively pins or subscribes a specified item on behalf of a user. Okay, so if we look here, you can see these are the parameters that are passed in. So you pass in the details of the user on whose behalf you're pinning. You pass in the type of object that you're pinning. In this case, it's a matter, the code of the object, and of course, the URL of the host site, which for me is just a test site here. What I've done is I've wrapped this little method into a script, as you can see here. So this is just a shell script that runs on a Mac. So on Mac OS, it effectively reads the details of the matter codes we want to pin from a CSV file specified here. If we look at the CSV file, you'll see it's just a list of matter codes that we want to pin. Going back to the script itself, for each of those matter codes, what it will do is make a curl statement or curl call, effectively calling onto the Intapp Documents API. It passes in a variety of parameters, including the API key, very important. I've redacted it here. But also then specifies the user for whom you're pinning, and of course the matter code itself. So pretty straightforward. If I want to run the script, I'll just call up a shell here within my Mac OS operating system, and I'll run this little script. And you can see what it's doing there, pretty straightforward. It's effectively going through the CSV and making the necessary calls onto the custodian API to pin those objects. And if I now go back to my browser and take a look now at my all matters list and refresh the screen, what you'll see is now in my matters list for this user, those particular matters are now pinned. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Any questions? Just let me know in the comments.